I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the front wheels on the GoGo Endurance AL Plus. If you need wheels for your scooter or any parts for your scooter, I'll have a link in the description below, as well as a link to the scooter if that's something that you're interested in. We do ship these and parts all across the United States, so give us a call if that's something that you are interested in. So I have the scooter tilted on its side like this, so it's easier for you to see what I'm doing. You don't have to tilt it on its side, I just find it easier to access. You can try to prop it up on something to get these wheels off the ground to make it easier to remove. If you do lay it on its side like I did, I laid a board down to protect it. Make sure you don't do this on concrete or anything. Make sure you lay down a towel or do it on carpet or something like that. So in order to remove the front drive wheels, there's a 10mm bolt that's going through it. So we're going to go ahead and grab a 10mm wrench and try and loosen that. There's Loctite on these as well, so it might be a little tight on there, but we'll go ahead and take this bolt out. And then on this, there's also a lock washer and then a normal washer. Make sure you keep track of those and don't lose them. So a little lock washer and then our normal washer. From here, there is no axle key or anything up here. This wheel just lifts straight up like this, and you kind of shake it a little bit. There's a bearing in there, so you might have to wiggle it just a little bit, but it comes off pretty easily like that. When you get your new tire, you're going to get the entire tire and the hub. There's no reason to try to separate these two, because when you order a new tire, you're going to get the whole thing just like this. So now, once you have the old one removed, you're going to slide on the new one. You might have to shake it a little bit to get that bearing to line up in there. If you do pop out any of these bearings, you can just pop them right back in. Make sure it sits so that it's flush like that. Then we'll go ahead and get our washer, our lock washer, and then our little threaded bolts. I'll try to hand thread it in there first. Once it starts getting tight, we'll get our 10mm wrench. Make sure you get this nice and tight in there, because you do not want this working itself loose. Make sure it's really tight, the wheel spins, and now we have our new wheel installed. This has been how to replace the front wheels on the GoGo Endurance AL Plus. Once again, I have a link in the description for parts and for this scooter. So if you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to speak with you. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.